Hello everyone. In this session we'll see another question on residues theorem. So it says evaluate the contour integral for z to the power 4 by z minus 1 cube dz, where C encloses point z equal to 1. So we have to evaluate the contour integral for this equation. Now, can we see that this is nothing but, let's say, if we take f of z equal to z to the power of 4 and z naught equal to 1, then this is actually f of z by z minus z naught to the power of 3, an integration for the like this. And as per the Cauchy's integral formula, we have this expression as f of z naught 2 pi I is actually equal to n factorial into integration of f of, this will be nth derivative, f of z by z minus z naught to the power of n plus 1 dz. So this is the Cauchy's integral theorem for the derivatives. We have seen this Cauchy's integral formula, right? This is the Cauchy's integral formula for the derivatives. Although what we wrote was f nth derivative of z naught equal to 1 by 2 pi I into n factorial integration f of z by z minus z naught to the power of n plus 1. So we have just moved this 2 pi I on the left hand side. And if we compare it with the equation given here, we can see that this 3 is nothing but n plus 1, so n is equal to 2. So we can say that this value is going to be 2 pi I second derivative z naught, which is z naught equal to 1, and we will have to divide it by n factorial, that is 2 factorial, right? Because it is already mentioned that z equal to 1, which we are considering to be z naught, is the point which is enclosed by the curve or contour C. So now we can clearly see that we want the function value integration of z to the power 4 by z minus 1 cube, and this will be nothing but the second derivative. So let's see what is z. F of z is z to the power 4, so f dash of z will become 4z cube and f double dash z will become 12z square. So this value becomes 2 pi I, 2 factorial is simply 2, and we have to put 12z square for z equal to 1, right? Z naught is 1, so we'll put it 1. So this becomes, when you put z equal to 1, this will be 12, 2 gets cancelled, and it is 12 pi I. So this will be the answer for this case. We have applied Cauchy's integral formula for derivative, right? Hello everyone. In this session we'll discuss a question on Cauchy's integral formula which involves derivative. The introduction I gave was for the residual theorem, but this is actually Cauchy's integral formula.